Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla. Here to show you a brand new 1967 Karmann Ghia convertible. This was freshly nut and bolt, frame off restored vehicle. I do have lots of photos of the actual restoration, and I have a whole book of $40,000 worth of receipts for this build. Red with a black interior, black top. All the chrome is new, all the paint is new, the wheels are new, the lights are new, the top is new, the interior is new, and it has a brand new 1700cc 95 horsepower engine in it.
Got all the new.
All new. Everything is new. Bluetooth stereo.
Yep, updated stereo.
It's about as perfect as you can call perfect.
Very cool. This is the first time I've ever seen one of these. Alright, we'll go ahead and get that engine started up, and then we'll take it for a spin. Alrighty, here we are.
67 Karmann Ghia convertible. Brand newly, freshly restored. 132 miles ago. Brand new.
Got the top up, but I will do a video of the top going down. It is a manual top. And we do have some luggage racks as well available if somebody wants to get them installed. They go right on the back of the car. These seats are really nice.
I know.
Nice little bouncy, comfortable seats in here.
Volkswagen. Oh yeah, she rides real nice.
Definitely.
Steering's real tight. Clutch feels good.
Cool little car.
Everything works. All the gauges are working.
Sweet.
Speedometer. Doesn't look like the clock. Well, the clock doesn't have a second hand on it, so I'm not sure. It says it's on noon.
It's behind.
It's noon.
Yeah, it's behind it. The second hand.
You can see the second hand?
Yeah, I can see the second hand.
Is it not moving? This says 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock.
I know. That might just be lucky.
Let's see if I can get third gear the right way this time. Oh, there it is.
There we go.
This is a really nice Karmann Ghia, probably the nicest one I've ever driven.
Awesome. All right, Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Come check it out. Thanks, Shane.